to Hillbill Nature show. We'll be exploring all those fun animals and critters. This is gonna be fun, so yeah. Look at this wonderful leaf. It has so much cells inside it. With each has a nucleus. Let's destroy it. Now a message from our sponsors.
Our shrooms are 100% organic.
We're gonna have fun while ruining the wildlife. Let's see what nice critters we can find. It's a tiger. Let's see what noises it makes. Wow! Now let's destroy it. This is a wild cactus. Its thorns are so sharp it could destroy anything. Good thing I brought my gunner. Yeah! Thanks for watching the Hillbill Show. Now, thought he was a cactus.
It doesn't work too well.
Bye.